sponsored and even passed several measures.
Is, it, is this a fresh start for the Senate, sir?
Yeah, press start. And sana, everybody will cooperate, start cooperating, including the members of the minority. Kasi wala na rin delulu di ba?
May pressure ba galing sa palas tong nangyari ngayon na election of new...
I'm not aware.
As far as you're concerned, sir?
As far as I'm concerned, wala.
Sir, paano nag-transpire yung paglipat ni Sen. Joey?
Much credit should go to Senator JB.
Siyang
Kasi
kumausap.
diba, they were close friends. So siya yung kinakausap ni Senator Joel, siya yung kumakausap. In fact, up until last night, hindi pa siya nakapirma. I think nung sinabi ni Senator JB sa amin, in-announce na it's done, I think it was already past 11 in the evening.
Sabi ni Sen. Alan, may mga pananakot na nangyari. May ganun ba, sir?
Well,
Before
he's
this
entitled
happened?
to his opinion, kasi for so many times, well, I think you should also interview Senator Joel. Kasi marami nag-transpire as he intimated to us, although hesitating siya to share yung details ng usapan nila. But it says a lot.
What can we expect from the new majority, sir?
Work. Kaya nga tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho. Abutin kami ng gabi dahil we will still resume after the CA at 3 p.m. para tapusin pa yung ibang mga measures.
Sir, sorry, impeachment lang. Si Senator Win po ang magpe-preside o may balak po bang si Senator Cheese ang i-elect?
As per our consensus as of this morning, we will elect Senator Chis Escudero if we convene again as the impeachment court to be the presiding officer.
Why so, sir?
Lawyer Kasi para, at saka may experience na rin siya sa impeachment. So, yun.
Sure na sir, si Senator Cheese na
Yun ang
talaga.
consensus namin as of this morning. Pwede magbago.
Senator,
And si Senator Win mismo, Senate President Pinang nag-suggest din.
sir, sorry yun ba, kasama ba yan sa negosasyon ng paglipat
No.
ni Sen. Cheese?
So, kami yun, nag-usap. Para lang maging smooth. Kasi alam nyo, pag ikaw nag-preside, kailangan talaga meron kang hindi basic knowledge sa law. Yung rules of court, evidence. Kasi once na merong mag-motion either from the prosecution or defense, merong pagkakataon na kailangan mag-rule ka immediately, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Sustained, overruled. Hindi naman pwedeng kada motion ibabalik ka sa body.
When will that happen, sir? The election of Sen. Cheese as presiding officer?
Pag nag-convene uli kami, I think July 6.
July 6 yan, sir? Okay.
Sir, pag yung CA petition ng Cayetano Black, null and void na yun o meron pa rin?
SC petition.
Sasagot pa kayo, sir?
I don't know.
Sasagot pa yung ano?
Depende. Kung pasasagutin ng Supreme Court, sasagot kami. Kung sabihin ng Supreme Court, denied dahil moten academic, that's it. Although mayroong mga ibang issues dun like yung inamend namin yung rules of impeachment kasama sa question. So kung itatapin ng Supreme Court yun, necessarily, they will ask for the comment kung bibigyan ng joke.
Sir, nag-offer lang ng cooperation sa Senator Alan. Is that a welcome idea?
Well, an offer is an offer. We want to see the actual action nung kanyang offer of reconciliation.
And by their absence today,
Well, it doesn't, it doesn't support the call or offer of reconciliation. Kasi the mere fact that they're not here, all of them, well, it negates whatever sincere offer he made this morning.
So hindi talagang
I hope they will catch up this afternoon.
Okay.
Okay.
salamat, sir. Thank you.
Sir, wala nang dilulo.